Because it's great to pass on the knowledge that I was taught going through the apprenticeship and through the journeymen that I worked with. It's just nice to be able to pass it on to the next group of people coming through.
It's kind of a good stepping stone to get yourself out there and maybe figure out what you do want to do and not pay as much as you would for college.
Free training, it's paid training, on-the-job training, hands-on, no classroom. All you have this, but it's all, you're learning what you're doing every day at work.
We go over anything from trade history to drafting to welding to layout, brazing, everything that's involved in the trade we try to cover every week while they're here.
I don't like reading a book or standing at the front of the class all day long. So yeah, definitely hands-on, getting dirty and seeing what you can come up with is awesome.
It's a different classroom setting for the non-traditional student. It's more hands-on, along with you're getting paid to get educated. Your education is almost virtually free as you go through the trade. You don't come out here with a student debt.
This kind of gave me the opportunity to be able to work, go to school, and make some money.
I work for a local company here in Butte, and I get to be home every night and no shift work. It's Monday through Friday. I'm off on my weekends.
We're always looking for more, so it's a great trade just to get into. And
come on in. I think it's a good thing. You learn a lot, you do a lot. The career aspect of it is great. I got a family, I got a 2-year-old son, so you got a family, the money's solid, the retirement is solid.
Open people's eyes up to these programs. Good things can come from a college, but this blue collar work it's awesome. I mean, your employers are great, your instructors here are great, the training's great. You're not left out of anything, and you don't have to go search for a job when you're done. Your job is, you already have your job.
If I do finish, I will be the first union female sheet metal worker, so that's pretty exciting.